In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where CapCut templates are not showing on PC. This is a common problem, but don't worry, there are a few simple solutions that usually fix it right away. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, check how CapCut is installed on your computer. If you downloaded it from the Microsoft Store, that is often the reason the Templates tab is missing. To fix this, open your web browser and go to CapCut.com, then click on Download for free. Once the download is complete, open the installer from your Downloads folder and follow the on-screen instructions to install the desktop version. After installation, open CapCut and check if the templates are now visible. If the templates still don't appear, go back to CapCut.com and click on Try CapCut Online at the top right. Sign in to your CapCut account and check the left-hand menu, where templates are usually available. In many cases, the web version shows templates even when the desktop app does not. If the problem still continues, it may be due to your country or region. In that case, try connecting to a VPN, reopen CapCut, and check again. And that's basically how you can fix CapCut not showing templates on PC. I hope this helped you solve the issue. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.